the relation of the melody to the chords, separating, the chords to the song and then being able to play the melody over the song, whether it's comping the chords with my left hand and playing the melody, or kind of playing a version of the chord and the melody all in one hand. So let's start off with what I'm doing in the left hand. I'm thinking about the bass, I'm thinking about the chords and the changes. I'm not so much thinking about the bass part that's on the actual record, because I kind of want to change that and manipulate it for how I'm playing the song now. But what's important to me is making sure that I nail the changes and the rhythm of the changes, like how they push. The beginning is like this walk down is important to the song. Like that push on the G is important. So with my right hand on this song, I'm thinking about the melody. So I'm trying to play what Stevie Wonder sung on the record, and I'm trying to also comp the chords at the same time. So it would sound like this. I'm always trying to make sure that the melody is there, especially when we're in that section. And then the chords under it just kind of like, it's kind of happening with the same rhythm that I am from the left hand, but it's not as patty as the left hand. So it's like, I'm kind of like. So as you notice, both hands are playing different roles. My left hand is focused on bass, the chords, and the rhythm. My right hand is focused on the melody and the extended inversion of the chord to kind of fill up. Also, like, I'm thinking of the background parts, especially on this song as well. So now let's put the hands together. Again, this is the way that I developed my technique, by using music as the basis.